Hi students, class 10, chapter 3, exercise example sum 3.23, example sum 3.23, if 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b is a perfect square number. It is given as a perfect square. And the perfect square is given, find the value of a and b. Why they are giving a perfect square? When we are squaring the term, we get equal to 0. We get equal to 0. That is the meaning of perfect square. So we go through the sum solution. Here also I am going to take only the variables. I am not coefficient. I am not taking the variables. So first coefficient of x power 4, and then first we check the orders is in the right form or not. X power 4, x cube, x square, a and b. The polynomial is either we can write in ascending order or in a descending order, right? That is our choice. Then the coefficient of x power 4 is 9, the coefficient of x cube is 12, coefficient of x square is 28, and then a and then b, right? We want to find the value of a and b. First we want to cancel the first term. 3 3s are 9, perfect square number, right? So minus. So whatever the number here, we have to multiply to write here second step. 2 3s are 6. This term is cancelled and reduce the two terms. 28, right? Next term. Choose the first term here 12 and then divide by the first term. In first step we have one terms. In second step we have two terms. And then third step we have three terms, right? 6 divide means we get 2 times. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Here we put 2 and here also we put 2. 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. When we subtract this minus minus, first term become cancelled, second term become 24. And then last term a and b, right? Here multiple the term 6, 2 3s are 6, second and third term, right? By the third step we have to write 3 terms. 2 2s are 4. We want to find out what is the value of a. First we choose the number 24 and then first number here 6. 24 is divided by 6, we get 4 times, right? So we put here 4, here also 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are 16. Again 4 4s are 16. So in a question it is given as a perfect square, so put 0, right? And then now therefore the value of a is equal to, in the place of a what you have here 16, right? When you apply in the place of a 16, then only 16 minus 16 equal to 0, right? So a is equal to 16. And then b is equal to the same number 16. When you apply b is equal to 16, plus 16 and minus 16 will be 0, right? So a is equal to 16 and b is equal to 16 is the value. Next we see the exercise number 3.8, question number 3. Exercise number 3.8, question number 3. Find the value of a and b if the following polynomials are perfect square. The given is perfect square. When we find this value, this term gives the remainder equal to 0. That means the perfect square solution. First we divide the terms by using division method. Here also, first we check the order of the polynomial. 4, 3, 2 and then 1 and then constant term, right? X power 4, x cube, x square and then x constant term. Here we are going to take only the coefficient of x power 4 is 4, x cube is minus 12, x square is 37 and then b last term is a. 4 is a perfect square number, that is 2 2s are 4. We want to cancel the first term, so the first term become cancelled. And then second step we are going to write 2 terms. I reduce this to minus 12, 37. Whatever the number here, just multiple with 2, right? 2 2s are 4, right? Then take this first term. Here we have negative symbol, so put the negative symbol first, and then 12 divided by 4. What do you get? 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So 3, 3. Now minus into plus is minus. 3 4s are 12. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. Now plus minus, the first term become cancelled. 37 minus 9 is equal to 28. And then B, last term is A. Now here we want to write the 3 terms, right? 1, 2, 3. Third step we have to write 3 terms. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2 3s are 6. Take this first term, that is 28, divide by the first term is 4. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So put the number here 7 and here also the same number 7. 7 4s are 28, right? 6 7s are 42. Here we have the minus symbol, so plus into minus is minus 42. 7 7s are 49. By the given condition is a perfect square, just apply the 0 first. Now you have to write the what is the value of B and A. Therefore the value of A is equal to, in the place is 49 and then B is equal to minus 42. Don't change the symbols. Whatever the number appear with the symbol, you just take that number. That is A is equal to 49, B is equal to 42. Suppose if you want to apply in the place of A is equal to 49 minus, here we are going to change the symbol, right? Minus 49 equal to 0. So that is the answer. Okay, question number 3, Roman number 2. Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus 361x square plus 220x plus 100. See here the first term is become a variable's coefficient is A and B, another variable. We have to find the value of A and B. That is our question, right? So when we put first A and B, we cannot be able to find the value. So I rechange the terms like this. That is 100, ascending order and descending order. We can choose any one of the, right? So 220x plus 361x square plus bx cube plus ax power 4. So we can write it in this order. Now we are going to find the value of this one. Solution. Here also I am going to take only the coefficient, not the variables. 100, 220 and then 361. It is 361 and then last one is B and then A. Now 100 is a perfect square number. Now 100 is a perfect square number. We know that is 10 tens are 100. So the first term become cancelled. Whatever the number appear, you just multiple with 2. Then in second step we have to write 2 terms, right? I take these 2 terms to it down and then 220, 361. So 2 into 10 is 20, right? The first term is divided by here. 220 is divided by 20. What do you get? That is 11, I think. So here also we put 11, here also we put 11. 11 into 220 is 220. 11 11s are 121, right? Here we want to subtract the term, so minus symbol. The first term became cancelled. When you subtract this 0, 4 and then 2. 240, B and A. Take these 2 terms, B and A. Now the third step, we have to write 3 terms, right? The first term, second term and third term. The first term is 20, second term is 22. We have to find the third term. Choose this 240 and then the first term is 20, divide by 20. 0, 0 will be cancelled. When we divide, we get 12, right? And then the number is 12. Put the number 12 and multiply the term. 12 into 20 is 240 and then 12 into 22, right? 12 into 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 12s are 24, that is 462, 264 and then 12 12s are 144 and given question is a perfect square number. This is, so put 0 first and then therefore the value of A is equal to 144 and then the value of B is equal to 264. Don't change any symbols, just write as it is whatever you have find out here. That is the answer for the sum. Okay, chapter 3, example sum exercise sum 3.8, question number 4. Find the value of m and n if the following expressions are a perfect square, right? The following expression is a perfect square. The first Roman number is given as 1 by x power 4 minus 6 x cube plus 13x square plus m by x plus n. We want to find the value of m and n, right? Here I am taking only the coefficients, not the variables, right? See, the coefficient is here 1 into 1 by x square is 1, right? The coefficient of 1 by x cube is minus 6. The coefficient of 1 by x square is 13. Coefficient of 1 by x is m and then n. Here minus 6 divided by x cube can be written as minus 6 into 1 by x cube, right? So the coefficient of 1 by x cube is minus 6. In that form we have taken. So our aim is first term should be cancelled, right? So 1 ones are 1. So first term become cancel 0. And then multiple the number what you have find it here. And then take these two terms, that is minus 6, 13. Right? Next term you have to write two terms, right? 1 2s are 2. And here we have the minus symbol without any confusion. Put the negative symbol first. And then take this minus 6 first term with the first term, divide by 2 is equal to minus 3. So 3, 3. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus into minus plus. 3 3s are 9. Change the symbol. Right? When you change the symbol, we get the first term become cancelled. Here we get 4 m n. I take these two terms here, right? Next term, we have to write the three terms here, right? 2 ones are 2. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Here the first term is 4. The first term is 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So our number is 2 here. So multiple the term. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 6 is minus 12. 2 2s are 4. And then question is given as it is a perfect square number, so it becomes 0. So it becomes 0. Therefore, the value of m is equal to minus 12. The value of n is equal to 4. This is the solution for the sum. See the second Roman number, x power 4 minus 8x cube plus mx square plus nx plus 16 is given. We want to find the value of m and n, and it is a perfect square, right? Solution. I am taking only the coefficient of the given polynomial. X power 4 coefficient is 1, x cube is minus 8, x square is m, x is n, and then constant term is 16. We want to cancel the first term, so 1 ones are 1. So the first term become cancelled. The remaining 8 and m, I take it here, right? Whatever the number appear here, you multiply by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. And we want to find what is the next number here, right? So take minus 8, divide by the first term is 2. Because here we are going to write the two terms, right? So when you divide this, we get minus 4. So whenever you see the minus symbol, without any confusion, put the minus symbol. Minus 4, here also minus 4. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16. And then plus minus. The first term become cancelled. When you subtract this, m minus 16. Right? And then the remaining term is n and last term is 16. See here, we are going to write the three terms 1, 2, 3, right? Multiple by 2, what you get? 2 ones are 2. 2 into minus 8 is, sorry, minus 4 is minus 8. And then we want to find the term here. Here we see that it is m minus 16. We cannot be able to find out what is the value here. But we have another choice to see the last term, that is the perfect square number, right? Last term is a perfect square number, that is 16. When we subtract this, we get that remainder is equal to 0 by the perfect square, right? So 4 4s are 16. Now you multiply this, 4 2s are 8, 4 into minus 8 is minus 32, 4 4s are 16. When you change the symbol here, plus 16 and minus 16 will be cancelled, we get 0 automatically, right? Now we want to find the value of m and n. So m is equal to m minus 16 is equal to 8, right? And then n is equal to minus 32. N value is directly we have, and then m value you want to find out. So m is equal to 8. Take this 16 to another side, we get plus 16. Then m is equal to 24. So m is equal to 24, and then n is equal to minus 32 is the answer. Thank you, students.